Miley, what you got? What you got, Burt Reynolds? Ooh. What you got, Burt Reynolds? Say thank you, Aunt Shirley. Toby, what you got, buddy? What's him got right there? Look at you. What's Miley got? Burt Reynolds, what you got, Burt? Burt Reynolds. Let me see you. Chew it up. Oh, you don't act all. What's him got? Oh, him loves it. Thank you, Shirley. Thank you, Shirley. It's so good. I love it. It's my life. Oh, gosh. What you got, Toad? Oh, Miley. Oh, Miley's supposed to steal him. Here, Miley. Miley Cyrus. Here, Toby. You want that one? Oh, Miley got it. Oh, it's like tug-of-war now. Bert. Here, Toby. Yeah, that's for him. Him's got it. Let's see, where's Ladybug? Oh, Miley's on the couch. She's not supposed to be on the couch. You get down. Oh, but I can't. Oh, there I go. Let's go find Ladybug. She's got hers too. Where's the bug at? Here's the bug. Where's yours? Get your toy. Her brought her toy in her crate. Here, Bug. Oh, look what her has. Look what Ladybug's got. That's her favorite toy. Her favorite toy in her favorite crate. Get your toy. Go get your toy. You just gonna leave it in your crate.